Dreaming of snagging that viral TikTok product, only to be hit with the dreaded "can't deliver to your country" message? Let's unlock the secrets to fixing this delivery roadblock and getting your hands on those must-have TikTok shop finds fast. First, the hard truth: TikTok shop's availability is currently limited officially. It's operating in select countries. Check if your country is on TikTok's official list, because if it isn't, that's the primary reason for this shipping issue. Okay, here's where it gets interesting. A VPN, or virtual private network, can sometimes be your workaround. It allows you to change the location of your device by connecting to a server in a TikTok shop supported country. You might be able to browse and even order. Warning: this doesn't guarantee delivery, and TikTok's terms may prohibit this, so use it at your own risk. Always research VPNs before use. Always go through a reputable provider once you're connected to your VPN of choice in a supported country. Open TikTok shop. Be sure to update all details and make sure it is showing the supported country information to be sure you are going through the supported VPN. Option 2. Explore package forwarding services. These companies give you a local address in a TikTok shop country. You get the product shipped there, and they then forward it to your international address. Research different services, compare rates, and read reviews carefully before committing. Last resort, contact TikTok shop support, politely explaining your location and the products you're interested in. While they may not have an immediate solution, your feedback can influence future expansion plans. So, while international delivery limitations can be frustrating, these solutions can hopefully open up a world of TikTok shop possibilities. Good luck and happy shopping!